There are an estimated 285 million people in the world who are visually impaired. These folks need to do their laundry too, and they need a system that takes their needs into account. With Electrolux's voice guidance technology, our washers and dryers can speak and guide your customer with step-by-step instructions from choosing the right program,
hot, quick wash,
to paying with coin or card system.
Start the machine by pressing the knob.
Having machines with this feature in your store can bring in an entirely new market segment and provide a service to your community.